Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to cooking mango stir-fry crispy chicken. It's going to be very easy, and we have crispy chicken I get it from Trader Joe. You can get that from any local supermarket. It's a pre-made. We just need to heat it up in the air fryer, and there's a mango, fresh mango, green onion, garlic, and red pepper, and sweet sour sauce, which is I get that from Trader Joe either, and you can get that from anywhere. So first of all, we have the pan. Put in the garlic and the red pepper. I stir for a few seconds, just need a few seconds, and the mango go first. Now I can able to smell some garlic, so we can add the chicken right now and put in the sweet and sour sauce at the same time. And we'll be ready in a few minutes. 2 minutes. I just need to mix up all the sauce with each. Now we add the green onion. And done. This is very easy. Only takes 5 minutes. I can smell all the mango. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.